Hello guys, good morning guys. Since wala akong walking or jogging this morning because I sent my children to Gaisano, near in the center. Kaya na sila ikuan kanang alaylakad. Ayun, yung palit na lang ko kuan guys. Kita ko merkado. Nagpalit ko para sa buon since today is Sunday, it's a family day. So I decided to buy beef, karning baka for maglata ko baka guys, maglataan guys. Palitan ko kuan good 1 kilo. Ayun. Pa ni. Ako pa mangilat-anan guys. So after ani, I will show you the anong luto na. But for now, I'm on the process nga para mahumok pa siya. So guys, again, since family tayo, ako nila mo trabaho ani para akong partner po or akong wife kapahulay po. So for now guys, good morning, see you later.